only scream like that involuntarily, by the way.
Dang it!
I can't make myself scream. I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna rock.
That was like really high pitched, you know?
It was. That like... Ew, my foot's wet.
That makes two of us now.
Okay, so his name is Nelson.
Nelson. And he's really squirmy right now.
Really squirmy.
Oh, he's like gray colored. This one's a little different.
He is?
Yeah, look at him.
Oh,
He's
I didn't want to like jump on me.
Here you go, ready?
Okay. Nelson.
Oh, there he is. He's a little kind of gray blue.
Hey, buddy, chillax. What is his problem?
Oh, come back here, you little fiend. Oh, it's two of them.
No way! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna catch one. Okay, I'm putting my camera down.
You're gonna catch that one.
Okay.
I'll hold you.
Oh, no, I don't want to touch it. Okay. Oh, no, it's freaking me out.
You don't pull it.
It's freaking me out. Okay. No, I don't want to touch it.
Yes, you do. You can totally do this.
Okay, hold on. Oh, he got in the leaf.
You're scaring the crap
Okay.
out of him.
Okay, I got him.
Alright.
I got him.
Keep it calm now.
Okay.
Was that all recorded?
Yeah.
He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump.
There it is again. Right here. Hey, Joe. No, there he goes.
I knew
Come
he was
back.
gonna... It's not focusing. Come on,
Come
focus.
back.
There he is.
Come back. Please. I'll do anything. Oh, okay.
Thomas. Oh, I mean...
Oh.
Nelson.
Nelson. Come back. I'm gonna go get him.
I still got him on video right there.
Okay, hold on.
Do you want me to keep recording?
Oh, yeah, this is frog catching shit. Okay, I got him.
No, wait, there's another one right there. Are you sure you got him? There's one swimming away right there.
What?
To your left. I mean, to your right.
That's awkward. I got a rock. Okay.
Like, are you sure you
Okay, here. My foot is soaking wet. Okay, you ready? Oh, he's like ready to jump. Okay.
Hey. Let's focus on him. Oh, there he is. He's going to jump. He's going to jump. Oh, wait, he's going.
Suicide.
They're really good at doing that whole jumping thing.
Look, he's on a stick. Hey, Nelson.
Oh, he's cute. Wait, don't move it so much. Here, let me take a picture. I'm going to stop recording.